Restoration period 1660 to 1700. Restoration comedy, the age of French influence. Greatest writer of the Restoration age, John Dryden, the wild gallant. William Congreve, short note. The double dealer, the way of the world. Both are comedy of manners. William Wycherley, the country wife, the plain dealer. George Etheridge, the comical revenge or love in a tub. The man of mode or sad fawfling flatter. George Farquhar, the book's stratagem. Restoration tragedy, John Dryden, All for Love. Thomas Otway, The Orphan. Venice Preserved. Nicholas Rowe, Restoration heroic play or Restoration heroic tragedy. John Dryden, Tyrannic Love. The Conquest of Granada. Aurangzeb. Thomas Otway, Don Carlos. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the all incoming videos. Restoration poetry. John Dryden, Satire. Absalom and Achitophel. MacFleckon, Religio Laici. The Hen and the Panther, Ode. Ode is a lyrical with an emotional address. Song for Saint Cecilia's Day, Alexander's Feast. Lyric is a musical short poem. Samuel Bartlett, Hudibras, 1663, Satire. Restoration prose, John Dryden, Essay of Dramatic Poesy, written in dialogue form. John Bunyan, Graces Abounding. Pilgrim's Progress, The Life and Death of Mr. Badman. Diarist, Samuel Pepys. John Evelyn, John Locke, An Essay Concerning Human Understanding. Thank you for your assistance.